When I bought this building, it had been neglected, refinanced, and left to decay. That's when I stepped in. When I first arrived at the building, I thought it just needed some cosmetic work. A few simple upgrades. I was wrong. Here's what really needed to be done. I'll have to get this stupid thing off. I'm going to spray paint the doors, so I need to strip off the handles and the hinges. I chose to spray paint to save time, but immediately I noticed how slowly and blotchy the paint was coming out. Quickly, I bought a new spray gun, and it worked great. For about 10 minutes, that is. Because the spray gun kept failing, I made a decision I shouldn't have. In the next episode, you'll see why switching to a brush and roller cost me countless hours, quality of work, and more than I expected. About 35 degrees in the sun today. Looks like I'm going to be here for a while. Putting the lines on the parking area. I made a stencil out of cardboard first. Line everything up, measured everything off, adjust where the markings were, and get the angles where I wanted it. So I decided to spray it. It's quite rough and it would be hard to make the lines straight. I thought sealing the parking area would be straightforward. It wasn't. The heat changed how the material behaved, and instead of stopping, I kept pushing forward. That decision cost me. Wow. Don't forget to wear a mask. The wall being sticking out more than the door trim. I need to have it in as much as possible. So I have the thicker side that you would normally put on the inside. I switched it to the outside. The gap is a little bit too much at the top with this space. So I'll use my grinder to take some of the cement surface down. Wow, looks like I solved the problem. It wasn't just the wall. The materials didn't fit. The tools weren't precise. By this point, I was starting to understand something. The building wasn't the only thing out of alignment. Still, I believed persistence would solve it. In front of the building was a spirit house sitting on a cement podium. Well, it's been a real mess to clean this thing up. Bigger job than you think. It's been a few hours and they're still chipping away. You have to use brute strength and hammers and wire cutters. There seems to be like mesh inside. I have some ants in my shirt. I started to chip away at the tiles. Got the jackhammering. Probably have to do more manual work. Hours of dust. Concrete reinforced with mesh. Heat. Ants. It wasn't just labor, it was resistance. And there was still one major piece left hanging over the side.
Careful your stomach, boy.
For the first time, something big came down cleanly. It didn't fix everything, but it changed the building. And it changed how I saw the project. This wasn't about small upgrades anymore. It was about rebuilding it properly.